Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. But today we just make a simple recipe, guys. It's oats and ice cream with all of those spices and a little bit of red rosemary. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. This is Chef Ricardo on the team. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus page. And also, we have also got the cookbook on Amazon, 50% off. See you next time. And this is from the team. Bye-bye. Back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we're going to make a oats punch. We're going to use a pack of sachet oats. This is just a pack. You can get it in the supermarket to buy or in the local shop. This will work out to probably about 2 tablespoons. So first thing what we're going to do is put a top straight inside of the smoothie blender. I'm using a Ninja blender, which is really good. Right here I have some rosemary. I have some rosemary right here, guys, some frozen one which I've been using from the last few days, so you can always freeze them. There's a few in it, and then I'm gonna put a few ice. That's some ice, a little bit of milk in it, just to free it up the blender. Then some ice cream. A lot of people doesn't know that these things is really good for you. We're gonna put a cork of vanilla inside of it, just to give it a flavor. Then pinch of cinnamon. This is some mixed spice. Sorry, that's a pinch of the mixed spice. Pinch of nutmeg. Cinnamon, really good for you. That's a pinch. And cinnamon is good for just cleaning your system. And a little bit of honey. Cover. And we're gonna blend this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, nice one. Nice and lovely. So right here, as I can see, just finished blending. Just pour straight inside of the glass. Look at this. Proper smoothie, guys. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. As I can see, that is just really nice and beautiful, and that's the way our Chef Ricardo been doing his lovely recipe like this one. All I can do is simple, lovely and nice. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Oats punch. Really nice and lovely. Easy and simple recipe which you can make at home. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.